I go on yes, I got I go on you. I go on yes, I got I go on you. I go on yes, I got I go on you. I go on yes, I got I go on you. I go on yes, I got I go on you. Oh, I go on yes, I got I go on you. Oh, I go on yes, I got I go on you. I go on you. I am ready for you guys, so I'm ready for everybody. As he be saying, the question in them mad here, and I can have a shishi. You have my own. I don't like you want and do. I don't like you want and do. Everybody to you with chairman, chair lady. Oh, that is what you are good in. Anyway, welcome to this part 3. Welcome to the part 3 of same episode. Welcome to the part 3. My question remains, you know, if you don't promote that man, your brother, who are you expecting to promote him or her? Who are you expecting to promote him or her? Who? Onye? I don't blame. In an association where there is 50 members, there are 50 members in association, and they want to have a music track, and those who understand the importance, of your existing, the importance of your existence, the importance of your being, those who understands that what you are doing, though is your business, though is your income building elevation, though you are doing it for yourself, but you are promoting the culture, the language, the community, the association, the community, the being. They are few. You know, they are few. There are maybe like 10 out of 50, 10 out of 60. And that association want a track of music that they will be using for event. And those people who understand who you are, they say, let us call our brother who is here with us to prepare this track for us. The rest 50 will say, no, we have onye nkekako, ono nulo, ono Nigeria. What will happen? They will take that track of that business, that contract. They will take it to Onyamako Nahum. Why their brother who can do it? If there is nobody who can do it well now, it's a different case. You understand me? But there is somebody who can do it among them. But they will take it to Onyamako, Onyamako, and they will be happy. They will be dancing because the person that played the music is Onyamako outside territory, beyond locality, away from the dwelling place. Who are you expecting to promote that person near you? But I thank God for my life. I thank God for my life. Whether, no matter how, anyhow, God have projected me not to fall and not to come down. The business you will give your brother here, no. Every association, they will go home. But what happened? Have I stopped releasing albums? Have I stopped playing nice music? And my music is not about entertainment. It's not about a good voice. It's not about, it's about all these things, but capped by quality reasoning words, advice, based on the word of God. So if you whether, it doesn't matter, but it matters. It doesn't matter, but it matters. Meeting there. You see all this, meeting. See all these things. You see all this meeting, all these associations. Only God will help us. Had it been all this, we come here, we go abroad. As nine I go abroad, nothing had them man. Learn good things. Come home, then tell our people at home, no, this is not how to do it. No, this is not how to do it. No, this is not how to do it. Then all these our associations, had it been, we are associating, meeting, collaborating, coming together, gathering, and practicing the good way of these people. These people were dwelling in their places. It could have been good. But we gather, we meet, we do everything. Every Sunday we gather from one meeting to another, one meeting to another. At the end of the day, we are still practicing those things that chased us out of our country. We are still practicing those things that made us to be voluntary slave in abroad. If you don't know, if you are in abroad, if you don't know it today, you are a voluntary slave. And also you have catapulted your generation quick cut off from home. Generation will be generating from abroad, while in the village, in the place where you are coming from, generate. What are we learning? We are still learning the same tribalism, nepotism can some here. Arrobilism, onyenkelism. That is what we see practice. While this is what we before we heard about this, we say God punish him, but we are still practicing the same thing. And many of you come here, what you are here, you are using us, the little gathering here, to practice politics, because you want to go back to Nigeria to be a politician. We know all these things. You practice Aral, you practice Ashre, you practice ego meeting. Practice ego meeting. I got conjunctive fee, conjunction fee, consecrated fee, benevolent levy. Somanato for I got monthly dues, levy, voluminant levy, conjunction fee, consecutive fee, everything about fee. At the end of the day, only few associations are able to do account. But time shall come. Time shall come when somebody will rise up. See, some people think any day I will rise up and say I need an account anywhere I am. That will be another problem again. And because that account must follow explicit. Oh my God! That sound. So we know those things. We meet. Those things that we are supposed to be doing. Promote our culture, promote our language. How many of you cares? How many of us cares? New Year Festival. Hey, DJ. Nobody will think about entertainment. Nobody. Okay, now I am playing show promoter style. To showcase old culture of Igbo people, old way of music of Igbo people. How many people in this country? How many of you cares about that music? I have shared it on Facebook. I have shared it on YouTube. I have shared, but nobody cares. Look at all the memes in this country. Has it come to anybody's mind and say, let this our brother come and showcase to us original Igbo cultural music? Who cares? Nobody cares. Oh, DJ, even DJ self, I did it here. Come to where we are having party. Go to where Yoruba people are having party. When you are passing on the street, you will know that it is Yoruba people gathered here with the kind of music being played there. But in the wash, Bangala, Bangala, Hadibi, Bangala, body, Bangala, I say your boom, Bangala, everywhere, Bangala, you will see, you will see our titled men, elderly people, Bangala. Then old women, why more 1 and 2, 10, 7. Why you child benefit? Finish you're going to do over there. All of them, Bangala. You who am a warrior. Anybody shame disappear an eye, on your head die go. When you had died a long time ago. Bangalo. You can never go to where you can have beer by a party. Get no cackle a guibo. Up Bangalo. In fact, it's time. I have to go now. I will go because the thing don't get as he be. The thing don't get as he be. I'm telling you the truth. The attitude of Ndibo in our island. I join meeting. I go to church. I join meeting because I still love the gathering of Ndibo. Ekele di Chineke na amoni Igbo. Ekele Chukwu na amoni Igbo. I can make this in here, and I made this episode na Igbo with Igbo language. But because you are carrying my matter outside the people who doesn't speak Igbo, that's what I'm Igbo or Bolon Gilibo, Onya Sokwalan Gilibo, Manama Sia. Let me tell you, I remember who I am. I can die at any time from now. I can die at any time. Yes, I can die anytime. Why I say this is because in life there's no time for death. So, because I know I can die anytime, I have to prepare my way, my time at everywhere I am. Yes. So, what happens here is that I will prepare myself wherever I am to make my way so that when I die, I will go and meet my God. Yes. So if you think that the only time you will support me or be my friend is only when I support you when you are doing when you are wrong, my brother, you are lying. You are lying. You are lying. In fact, you are lying. You are that. You are lying, and people are using you because there is something called lie, and people are lying. So you are now lie, and people are lying. People are using. People are using you. If you like, understand me, you got like it. That's your business. You got that. So Reggae meza yesoli tele mana ekugo ku onu ihe m na-ekwu alari na udo ụmụ wapụtanụ n'ime njọ emere m ihe dịka lampo dike ha ma gara n'elu ugwu ebe ọ wụlụ isi agafe gee ịga na hụ n'uke ọkụ m onye som ga-ekwugbu onwe m onye ahụ ya ga-emegeburukwu onwe ya okwu m dịka okwu Elijah onye amụma o kwuru ya n'akwụkwọ nsọ ọsọ wa hapụ ga n'ime arọ ka udo Chineke bata n'ime anyị ihe m na-ekwu. Okay, as it is now I have to go. So when you see us in the entertainers in Dublin need support. The entertainers in Dublin, the Igbo entertainment in Dublin, I need promotion. On our for straight, only the only DJ I know, but on that for straight him. Call them. And as you watch, please stay tuned for the part 4 of the same episode. But as it is now, please, as you finish watching, share to your brothers and sisters. Share everywhere you are. Share to them. Let them watch that there is this king, Eze Neku from Imohia. Eze Shineshi, all that and a Buari Oku, and a Buari Oku there. On Manam Rudu to make group. And remember, my new launching is coming. And if I hear anybody, anyway,